everyone, you're welcome back. Okay, so if you're new, you are highly and most welcome, guys. So how are you doing and how is your day? Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you a remedy that actually would help you, and ingredients combining them together is going to be very powerful enough for you to clean yourself up. Okay, and it will actually boost your egg. Okay, and it's actually very healthy. Like, it is so healthy, and the ingredients, I'm sure you can actually get them. They are actually not very difficult to find. Okay, so without wasting any time, let me take you right into this video. And don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and drop your comments. All right, so let's go. Okay guys, so boost ovulation and increase your chances of getting pregnant. Now this is a spice. We actually call it uyayak, so I actually do not know what other language call it. And this is actually a spice used in cooking pepper soup or white soup and stuff. So we actually use this a whole lot. This comes from a very big tree. It's usually at the river bank area. Okay, it's spread around and it's just there. People go to pick them, and it is very good in boosting ovulation. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be showing you a way in which you are going to be doing this. Okay, so this is how you're going to be doing it. Now, one side of it is very strong, you can't actually cut it, while the other side is actually a little soft, which is always this longer part. Okay, so what you do is that you're gonna put your knife. It's actually usually strong sometimes, so you have to use a little bit of force to be able to cut through. Yeah, you're going to put your knife that way. And then you cut it this way. Yeah, so recommend you cut a whole lot. This one has actually been here. My mom brought it when I gave birth, so it's usually used for women who just gave birth to release the fluid from the womb and all of that. Yeah, the red stuff in the womb. You know, YouTube actually does not support some stuff, so we would be smart by not using some words that you don't support. Okay, so after you've cut it like this, you can actually decide to use 2 or 1, but I recommend you just use 1. 1 is enough for this. Okay, so now when you smell it, you feel the smell. The smell of it is amazing. Okay, so after which would have to be putting into a pot, and then you put in water. Put in as much water as you would want. Okay, and then you go boil it. Yeah, okay, so while it's boiled, I'm going to also be showing you another method in which you can actually use to boost your ovulation and get pregnant soon. this is okra. Okay, now surprisingly, okra is very, very amazing, okay, for this kind of stuff. And a way in which you're going to do it, man, it's going to be superb. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to cut off the head of the okra. Just like this. Okay, so after which you would have to be washing this, okay, because it's very, very vital, very, very important that you wash it. So after washing it, then you cut it round, in round shape like this. So 2 is just going to be enough. I'm not going to be using too much of it. Okay guys, so after doing that, then you have to get a container that has a cover. I don't have one now. I would have actually shown you how to use that, but since I don't have one, I'm going to be using my glass cup. That, then you're going to be putting in water, enough water to last you for some days. Okay, so this is it. This is how it looks like. Okay, so what you're going to do here is that you're going to allow this to stay till the following morning. Okay, you're going to cover it up and allow it to stay till the following morning in a clean water. Now you have to put a clean water that you're going to be able to drink. Okay, now when you put it this way, it's going to just stay up basically, but you're going to allow it to stay till the following morning, and I'm going to allow it to stay for a little long while, and I'll be right back. So while I wait for that to boil and for the okra to sit in the water, we're equally going to be needing some moringa leaves. Okay, now moringa leaf is very, very helpful and healthy, and using this, give me pot, using this alongside with all of this is going to make this ingredients really effective. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna be grabbing a pot and I'm gonna just remove the moringa leaf just little by little this way into this pot. Okay guys, so after removing all of the moringa leaf, then you need water. Okay, you need to put in water. Okay, so what you need is that you need salt, some cooking salt. This is actually my cooking salt, okay, that I grabbed from my kitchen. If you follow my vlog channel, you should know that. So you're gonna be taking 1 teaspoon of salt into the water of this moringa, and then you stir it. Okay, now what we need to do now is to go and cook this very, very well for it to boil for at least 3 minutes, okay, or as the case may be, because some people might not be using the same cooking system that I use, so it depends on your cooking system. Okay guys, so this is the uyayak and it has boiled, and you don't need to let it cool too much. So what I'm gonna do now is to transfer it into a bowl. Okay guys, so this is the uyaya and this is how it looks like, okay, and let me have a taste of this. Yeah, it does have this flavor, but it doesn't have any taste at all, but it is really really nice. And this is the okra method, and this is the uyayak method. Now what you do is that you have to choose between these two, okay? You don't need to use all of them. You have to choose, either you use the okra method or you use the uyayak method, but I would recommend you start from using the uyayak method, then you follow suit with the okra method if you want to try the two of them. Okay, so let me show you the other one. Yeah, so I have a bowl here, and this is the moringa. It is hot, and what you do, plus the salt, what you do is that it is actually very vital, important, very very important, triple important for you to steam. Okay, so you use this moringa method to steam your, you sit over it and let the heat get into your body. It's going to clear the way. It's going to kill any bacteria or anything that is actually there, okay, that is not supposed to be there. All right, and then it's going to help to shrink any fibroid. It's going to help to boost you up. Now after which you've steamed your body inside, yeah, with this, then you can drink this or this. So you choose which one you want to drink first. Now in this two, you have to steam. For those two, you will have to steam. Whichever one you choose to use, you would have to steam. Okay, so you steam first and then you drink. You steam first and then you drink. Now what you're drinking here is just the juice, guys. Okay, you're not going to be drinking the okra. Don't drink the okra. Now what you notice is that when it is the next day, the okra is going to deposit its sliminess into the water, and the water is going to be just a little slimy, and it's going to be this transparent, very very transparent, no color at all. Okay, but this one is superb. You have to drink it warm. Now you can drink this cold. Yeah, it's perfect. Not like cold, room temperature, but this particular one, you drink it warm. Steam, remember to steam. You can steam 3 times a week or once in a week, but remember to steam. It helps to close you up even more and boost you up and boost you up. Okay, this is perfect and I love them so much. Okay guys, so this powerful ingredient will help you to boost your ovulation, and then it will actually give you some chances of getting pregnant, well, you have to also pray about it, yeah, okay, because and you have to also believe. Yeah, that's it. But it does work, it does help a whole lot. I'm not saying it is actually what would make you get pregnant just now, but you have to give this a try. It is actually a very natural stuff, yeah, it's very simple to do, okay, so go give this a try and I'm sure it's going to help you definitely, okay. Steaming is actually very important for we ladies, yeah, it helps so much. All right, so that's it. If you did find this video interesting, please do not forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, share the video and leave your comments, and I'll see you again. Bye.